classifies a human body?
Is it our DNA, the organs, or the cells that make up our tissues?
No. It's a deeper question than it may seem. Today, scientists estimate that the average human body contains as many microbial cells as a human cell. These bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microorganisms make up what we call the human microbiome.
In this episode of EpiBio Report, we'll be talking about the microbiome's role in human health, its significance, and its relevance to epibiology. Before we dive deeper, let's clarify, what exactly is human microbiome?
So the human microbiome refers to the entire collection of microorganisms, bacteria, viruses, fungi, and microbes that live in our bodies. These microorganisms outnumber our own human cells and perform essential functions that keep us healthy.
The purpose of today's video is to explore how the microbiome influences human biology, impact health and disease, and connect the core concepts of epibiology such as symbiotics, homeostasis, and gene regulation.
The human microbiome refers to a collective genomes of microorganisms living in and on our human body. These include bacteria in digestive tract, skin, oral cavity, and other surfaces. While the term bacteria often have a negative connotation, most of these organisms are harmless or even beneficial.
Microbial species contribute to digestion, vitamin production, and immune system. Their presence is essential for maintaining homeostasis, which ties directly into Unit 2 of epibiology, which is about cell structure and function, and also Unit 6, which is about gene expression and regulation. Let's talk about a real-world example. The researchers studying the oral microbiomes have found that the balance of bacteria in our mouths not only influence the dental health but also overall our system health.
Exactly what happens when bacteria outnumber beneficial ones. It can lead to gum diseases and tooth decay. Moreover, these oral microbes can enter the bloodstream and have been linked to heart disease and diabetes.
This demonstrates the key epibiology concepts such as host-microbe interactions, disease pathology, and the importance of barrier defenses. It also shows how microbes in one part of the body can affect distant organs, emphasizing the interconnectedness of biological systems.
The relationship between human microbiota is predominantly mutualistic. Humans provide microbes with nutrients and an environment, while microbes aid in biological process which we cannot perform alone.
For example, the bacteria in the large intestine break down the complex polysaccharides that human enzymes cannot digest. This supports the concept of interdependence.
Additionally, some microbial species produce singular molecules that can influence gene expression in host tissues, a concept that links directly to epigenetics and advanced components of epibiology.
As promising as microbiome science is, it presents the ethical and scientific challenges. Manipulating microbial communities may offer therapeutic benefits, but the long-term consequences are not fully understood.
Furthermore, the complexity of microbial interactions make it difficult to predict how changes in one part of the system will affect the whole. Like the genome, the microbiome is highly individualized, raising questions about personalized treatment and research ethics.
The human microbiome expands our understanding of what it means to biologically human. It challenges us to consider life not as a single organism, but also a complex cooperative system.
For AP biology students, the microbiome illustrates key themes: evolutionary, symbiosis, cellular function, gene regulation, and system biology. It is not only scientifically relevant, it's shaping the future of health and medicine.
Thank you for joining us on the AP Bio Report. Until next time, stay curious and keep asking the deeper questions behind biology.
Yay.
Bye.